Hello everyone, my name is Mohit Khan. Today I am gonna discuss our topic which is Shumi's Hotcake. Okay, we are here to talk about the online camping for Shumi's Hotcake. As you all know, Shumi's Hotcake is one of the most popular bakery shop in Dhaka, and we are here to make online camping for them, so that they can be a leading brand in the bakery in Dhaka. Uh, to make our Shumi's camera more successful, we use the soft stack to make sure that they are gonna be successful in the online campaign. And first, this presentation was prepared by me, Mohit Khan, in the middle, Omar Farooq, and Sayyada Sarah Hussaini. Okay, introduction. The people who live in Dhaka city actually they don't need an introduction of Shumis Hotkey because they can see there are 23 outlets in Dhaka city and people have been there and know about Shumis Hotkey. The Black Forest of them is very much popular. Shumis Hotcake is as first I say that it's a very leading brand, one of the, but there are very competitors like Coopers and Yummy Yummy and other. But we are here to make sure that Shumis Hotcake gives a competitive advantage in the market to being a market leader in the bakery industry. And for that we think of doing the online campaign for them and we use Sostek. So at first the situation analysis, the S of the Sostek. So you use Porter, SWOT and Pistol. By using Porter, SWOT and Pistol analysis, we get to know that uh, the present situation the Sumis Hotel is in the market is not that very tough position because there are only 4 to 5 competitors to them like Coopers, Yummy Yummy, Kings, World Food. Among them, Coopers and Kings are in a good. Mr. Baker are in a good position. After that, Hotcake comes. But the interesting thing is these three bakery don't have their own personal website. But we are here for the online campaign for Shumi's Hotcake. So we are thinking if Shumi's Hotcake launch a website so they can attract the new customers, the customers who like to buy things from online. So they will have in a good positions. Yes, they have the threats like after that other companies may do it, but they will be the first one. So they are in a good position, and nowadays building a website is not that much expensive. And in our country, it is also very easy to use because many people know and they will take less money to develop and build an attractive website. Then come to the objective. For Sumi's Hotcake, for online gambling, we think of Surf and Sizzle. We think of Surf because the product of Sumi's Hotcake are good, but people like those products which have more value. So in Surf, they have to Sumi's Hotcake have to add more value to their product and services. And how they can do it? Okay, first of all, if they launch a website, it will definitely add more value to their brand because consumers like to buy things now from online because it is very easy and people can pay online, people can browse their Shumi shopping things in online and it is very easy for them to order. And so definitely by doing that they're gonna be add a value to their product and services. Then they can add what can I say online representative who can ask the consumer questions and it will definitely help them. And Sizzle. As it is Shumer Harki don't have a website, so we think they must build a attractive website and user friendly website. What the way they can sizzle their website is that they can offer promotions, different new promotions like if online person buy things from online they will get 15% or 10% off or they will get a first time delivery free or any other occasional offers in the by doing that they can attract their website and so the people will come because they know if they buy from there they will get offers and this is the best thing because if they don't sizzle their website, I mean, if they not make a good use of their website, it's not a use. So sizzle is very important for them. Strategies. So how Shumi Shortcut will gonna achieve those things? First of all, as they don't have a website, they have to buy a domain name Shumi Shortcut. Because without a domain name, they cannot make a website and develop a website. Then they have to develop a website because uh, without a website, they cannot launch their promotions on the website and use online advertisement for their website. Developing a website isn't enough because they have to make advertisement of their website because people don't know that Shumis have a new website, so they have to advertise in other popular websites so that people will get to know that yes, Shumis has a new website and it's very user friendly. Then come the tactics. How Shumis Hotcake will advertise their website. Okay, make the website user friendly attractive. Just because making a website isn't enough, they have to make the website user friendly and attractive. As Bangladesh, many Bangladesh people they like things which are easy, and not Bangladesh. Everyone like to use an easy thing, and if the website is very easy, not a jammy one, and well, you can order the placing order, the views, the cake friendly. You have many other good options. Then it will be very attractive, and the website must be in a colorful because it is not a corporation website. It's a cake company website. The money, colorful, the versatility will attract the customers. Then use Google AdWords for online advertising. Shumi's Hotkey can use Google AdWords for online advertising. Google AdWords will help them to show their ads in different leading popular other websites so that Shumi's Hotcake website can gain popularity. Because people of other web who visit other popular websites, they will get see an ad on Shumi's Hotcake on those websites. Hire online representative to handle online customers. Just making a website and add those things isn't enough. People may ask questions from because who are new to their online website. They can ask many questions. They cannot find something like how to pay, how to order, how to how to browse things, how to add toppings. By doing that, for doing that, they Shumi Shopee need an online representative to handle those online customers. And if customers get to know things properly from the online representative, they will be happy enough to order things by their website. Now action. How Google AdWords make how Caesar Shumis Hotcake or Shumis Hotcake can use Google AdWords to create their online campaign. Here is simple how can they create the advertisement. At first, see they have to go to the Google AdWords and make a campaign. I say ad group name Shumis Hotcake, then headline Shumis Hotcake, then in description we see best cake in the town, then description two first timers will get 15% off, and the display URL, I mean the website address www.shumishotcake.com. In the right side you can see in a blue one Shumi's Hotcake, the website, and in the green one you see the website and the best cake in the town, and first timers will get 15% off. This ad will be displayed in different other websites. So when people click on it, they will go direct on Shumi's Hotcake website. So this is how they're gonna people gonna know about it. And to attract the people, the last two lines are very important because best cake in the town and the first timers will get 50% off. Because when people know it's best cake, they want to know which one is, and the first timers will get 15% off. People definitely like to go to check it out. What are the things they can get? And then comes the budget part. Shumi's Hotcake Air, where they have $10 per day and budget, but they can for the first time I think it is enough because if they spend more on there and the outcome is not very good, then it is very hard. By showing the and the response from the online campaign, they can increase the budget. They can increase the budget to 1,000, 10,000, or $20,000 per day if the response is good, or they can also decrease the budget. But I think by doing the online advertisement, they will get a definitely positive response. Then the keywords. What are the keywords when people like to when a Shumis cake? Everything wedding cake, black forest, chocolate cake, strawberry cake, birthday cake, best cake, and all the things are eligible by Google because they people like to search things cakes in by typing these keywords. So these are the keywords we think will be more appropriate for Shumis cake. In the bottom, the ad will show how that as I say before, Shumi Saurabh is unique town. So this ad status also eligible because that means it is a proper ad should show on the websites. Then we said online representative who can handle customers. So this is how the questions online representative will be there, and she or he can help to communicate to the online consumers and to solve their problems. Okay, now come the control part. This is a very interesting part of the online advertisement and online campaign. The control of budget. As we say in the previous one, in Google AdWords, they can easily increase or decrease their budget without any problem. If they think it's a good response, they can increase the budget. If they think it comes a bad response or not good, they can decrease the budget. It's a very easy thing to increase or decrease the budget. Control of advertisement. This is a next is a, this is a very important part. They can also control the advertisement. They can think whenever the advertisement will come, they can change the advertisement. They can place the advertisement wherever they want. They can also uh, like to know where the advertisement should show in the bottom or in the top. Is very much controllable. Then control your target. You can also control your target customers like university students, children, or they can easily target. They can also target by locality or the town or a private sector. It is very easy to control delivery and design. They can also change and update their design because a website is very easy to develop nowadays. If the website already they can add colors, they can add more other options, they can also change the design. It is very easy to do control control all these things. Okay, conclusion. At last, I can say that Xiaomi Hotcake is a very good position at now. But if they use a online camping and make a website, I think definitely they're gonna reach many more new consumers, where online consumers, and their business will definitely go rise. And if they have any other questions and any other inquiries, in our term paper we have our numbers, and they can call us and they can have a good discussion with us, and we'll definitely will gonna help them. Thank you very much for watching.